Yes. Hey, hey, hey. Welcome back. Since we did the second highest salary, it only makes sense to do the nth highest salary. So again, the question is pretty straightforward. We have to find the nth distinct salary from the employee table, and if there are less than n salaries, then you have to return null. So first thing to note is that again, the if you remember my previous video, I had told we can use a theory of can use the theory of ordering by the salary in the form of descending order, and using the concept of offset. So what will offset do? Offset will return nth value, like the value x value from the employee table. But what we want to do? But it is in zero order, like what I call, just like arrays, it is zero based indexing. So with all that, what we have to do? We have to return nth head salary. So what we'll do? Technically, what you would do is, so you could actually you would try to use the same code. That is nothing but select distinct salary from the employee table, order by the value of salary descending, and then limit one. Yeah, we could do limit one. You try to do limit one offset n, or what we can do, we can just integrate both of them as n comma 1. Uh, so you would think this would work, and you try to submit it. But you would again, but you should again keep note that the value is what you call zero based index. So what will happen over here? So rather than getting the second head salary, you are getting the third head salary. Since n is 2, what happened? This became the zeroth offset, first offset, and second offset. So it automatically returns the second offset. So what you have to do? You have to subtract this by 1. So you might think, yeah, let's do n minus 1. It's pretty straightforward. And you would be very happy thinking that the problem is submitted. And I don't know, it would be, I don't know if you would party after submitting a problem, but who knows? Oh my god, why is the internet so slow? Yeah, but you have to have patience, so nothing comes immediately. So let us have some sort of patience. But I'm not patient, I'm very impatient, so let me just refresh the page. Yeah, thankfully the code is there. So let's now try to run it. Oh my god, believe it, you will get an error telling that n minus 1 cannot be used over here. So what it means is that where you have what you call inside the direct query itself, we can't use mathematical operations like n minus 1, n plus 1 and all. So what you have to do, you have to declare a separate variable. Generally, how do in other languages? So you declare c is equal to 0, n minus 1, and then you do use c over here. So let's do that. You want to declare c as an integer, and what you want to do, you want to set c to be n minus 1. And then you could directly use c over here. But again, even if I submit this, it's pointless because of internet. What to do? What is correct? Oh, and this is not their side issue. This is my side issue. Nothing can be done. Yeah, see, you would get an error like this. Now, so what we did? We declared an integer c and set c to be n minus 1, and then we use that value of c over there. So let's try to submit this now. Let's try to run this now. Yeah, that's all what we have to do. And let's submit it. Yeah, this is pretty confusing. Even I got tripped the first time when I was doing this. Run fast, run fast. Yeah, as you saw, the code ran. Yeah, that's all what you have to do. You have to select the distinct salary from employee, and you want to order it by one. Order it by descending order, limit with C offset and one as the limit, and C nothing but n method. So this is the small trick we have to do. And yeah, that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.